Hey folks, welcome back to another video. Today we're looking at question 120, triangle. The way we'll be approaching this problem is by traversing through every single row, but we'll do it from the bottom and we'll be storing the best result for the previous row by looking at the next row. So for example, right here, 4, 1, 8, 3, we don't really have a row above that, so you would start with the last second row, and then you would see for 6 the best option that you could choose from, you need to pick from is like 4 and 1. Since 1 is the best possible answer you could get here, you would just add that value and store it right here in 6, and then you have 5 here. You can either pick from 1 and 8, and you know 1 is best answer, so you would add 1 to 5 and store it right there. And then for 7 you can either pick from 8 and 3. You know 8 is the best answer and you would store that right here. So for each level you figure out what the best answer is and keep going up, and at the end you just need to return the first list at the 0th index. You just need to return that. So it's a pretty simple problem once you understand how to approach it. Most people might do it through DFS, but it times out because there are a lot of paths that you could possibly take for that. So this is the best solution that you could have. Right, so let's get started. The first thing you need to do is understand how many rows we have. So let's do that. Triangle that size. Right, and then we'll have two for loops. One of them would be starting with r-2. The reason why we are starting from r-2 is because you want to start from the last second row. I is greater than or equal to 0, decrement I, and then you want to have 1 for columns as well. So int j equals 0, j is less than or equal to I, increment j, and then you would want to get the best value that's below first. So let's just initialize the integer to be min below, and then what you're trying to do is you would try to get triangle of row I plus 1, which is the next row, dot get j, or you would do the same for the next index. Okay. Right. So j plus 1. Awesome. And then you need to set the value. So triangle dot get I. So you're getting that particular list, and then you need to set that value j. You're setting j to be equal to whatever you saw below, the best result, plus the existing value. So triangle dot get of I dot get j. Perfect. So once you've completed these 2 for loops, it will bubble up all the way to the top, and you know that the result will be stored at the first row at the first column. So in the end you would just return triangle dot get 0, 0. Perfect. Awesome. So let's compile this and see if it's okay. First test case is okay. Everything else is okay as well. Awesome. So let's talk about the space and the time complexity of the entire solution. The time complexity of the entire solution is n squared, since you have 2 for loops right here, and the space complexity would be of 1, since we're not really using any additional data structures to store information. So that's the solution for this problem. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, and please don't forget to subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Don't forget to like and comment if you like the video, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.